So hello everyone, today we are learning for the tricks for the constitutional amendment of the Indian Constitution. So first learn the tricks. So part 1 to 10th we can learn from that. First we learn first we should first some points are we clearly know about them, not to be learned and not to be ratification for them. So from 5th 6th 7th 8th 9th after the 9th A 9th B. So articles we have to learn about the articles. So article 36 to 51 we have all know about them. So 52 to 151 that we all approximately 100. After then 152 to 243 237 we have to 237 approximately 85 articles. After then 239 to 241 and it is all about 239 to 241 are about the Panchayat Raj first started in Nagaur, Degana Tehsil, and the 242 amendment will be repealed after the which amendment you will commented in our comment box, and the next one is 243 to 243O. Yes, it is very important. After then 243P to 243Z. After then 244 to 244. These are the 10th. So first learns from start one article to 244 article A. Okay. So second our memory key is that the read from the start to end. Please refer for the provisional special means special provisions. So article started from 245 to ends at 263. So after then 264 to 300. So we learns from what? We learns from the part number 18. This is known as what for emergency. We know all about the 352 360 exist for the articles exist for the emergency. So we have to backwardly 352 to 351 351 to 347 343 official languages language का अदला बदली 343 okay. So 343 after then 343 just behind them 240 342 342 to 330. This will be special. So after then 329 to 324 we all know about the Panchayati 15 for Panchayati Raj. Okay, this is very important as like that 244 323 A B. Okay 323 to 308 we know all about the finance. 300 to 301 to 307 trade 12 5 7 12 5 7 5 12 7 5 12